Namaste everyone. In this video I am going to discuss two questions which are most important for CBSE board exams from probability topic. And my first question is, find the probability of 53 Sundays in a non-leap year. So we know that total number of days in a non-leap year are 365. Then total number of days in a non-leap year are 365. If I will ask you that how many weeks will be there, so number of weeks will be 365 upon number of days in a week, that is 7. If you will divide it, so it will be 52 weeks and 1 day. Now you are asked to find the probability of 53 Sundays. So let me tell you one thing, that 52 Sundays are possible in every year. But what about the 53rd Sunday? What is the probability of 53rd Sunday? So now we know that we are left with 1 day. This 1 day either can be Sunday, or can be Monday, or can be Tuesday, or can be Wednesday, or can be Thursday, or can be Friday, or can be Saturday. Then these are the 7 possible outcomes for the 365th day. So if these are the 7 possible outcomes, it means total outcomes for the 365th day are, it means total outcomes are 7. Then out of 7, how many Sundays are there? Only 1 Sunday is there. So number of Sundays is equals to 1, and probability of 53 Sundays, because it depends on this Sunday, that there will be 53 Sundays or there will be 52 Sundays only. So out of 7, only once it will come that the 365th day of the year, the last day of the year, will be a Sunday. So the probability will be 1 out of 7. Means the answer will be 1 upon 7. This is your required answer. Now the same question can be asked in this way also. Find the probability of 53 Sundays in a leap year. Now what will be the change? You know that total number of days in a leap year will be 366. And if we will divide it into weeks, then the number of weeks will be 366 upon 7, which will be equals to 52 weeks, and now 2 days are remaining. Now it depends on these 2 days whether there will be 53 Sundays, because 52 Sundays are already there in 365 days. So it depends on these 2 days whether there will be 53 Sundays or not. So what is the possibility of these 2 days? These 2 days can be Sunday Monday, or Monday Tuesday, or Tuesday Wednesday, or Wednesday Thursday, or Thursday Friday, or Friday Saturday, or again there is a possibility that is Saturday or Sunday. Now What are the total outcomes? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So total outcomes will be 7. And what are the favorable outcomes? So favorable outcomes will be either there will be Sunday, Monday, then there will be 53 Sundays, or there will be Saturday, Sunday, then there will be 53 Sundays in the year. Then, so favorable outcomes are 2. What is the probability of 53 Sundays? It will be equals to 2 upon 7. So this is the method to solve if you are asked to find 53 Sundays in a leap year or 53 Sundays in a non-leap year. Thank you and keep smiling.